Hello everybody. Readings on Kerala. അതിൽ ട്രൈബൽസ് ഓഫ് കേരളയിലെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സ് ആണ് ഇന്ന് ഡീൽ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. പേജ് 21 ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ഉള്ളത്. നമ്മൾ പോകുന്നത് ഇതിൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സ് ആണ്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സ് പേജ് 27 അപ്പോൾ അതിൽ ആദ്യത്തെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് ഗിവൺ ദർ ഇസ് in which present day districts were the weapons of the Neolithic age found? അപ്പോൾ അതിൽ the first weapons were found in the Kozhikode and Ernakulam district. This is a very easy answer. അപ്പോൾ അതിൽ you can see the Kerala map being formed on via Google Maps. അതിൽ കോഴിക്കോട് ഉണ്ട്, കൊച്ചി, എറണാകുളം ഡിസ്ട്രിക്ട്സും കാണാം. So most of the present day districts were കോഴിക്കോട് ആൻഡ് എറണാകുളം. അത് നമ്മുടെ നിയോലിത്തിക് ഏജിലാണ് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചത്. ആൻഡ് the other ages are also given there for your information, Paleolithic and Mesolithic age. രണ്ടാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, where can we see the largest ആദിവാസി settlements in Kerala? ഇതും മാപ്പ് കാണുന്നുണ്ട്. because I want to show you the one area is the Attapadi region. The other area that also we need to see is the Wayanad area ഇവിടെ കാണാം. So the Attapadi is slightly off. Okay, so it would be somewhere in this whole region would be where the largest Adivasi settlements are found. And the Adivasi that you can see in these places would be the Paniyar, Kurichiyar and the Irular tribes. These are the three people in this. The Paniyar are the most backward among the Adivasis, and the Kurichiyar are seen only in Wayanad. The next question you have is what is Kudipaga? What is Kudipaga? Kudipaga, the answer you can find on page 24. Kudipaga idana. Kudipaga is basically a community feud which was prevalent among the tribals of those regions. So which means that if one member of a community was attacked or humiliated by a member of another community, the entire community takes it upon itself to avenge him or her. അപ്പോൾ അതിൽ ഒരാൾക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും പറ്റിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ആ ക്ലാൻ, ആ കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി മുഴുവൻ, ആ നാട്ടിലെ ആൾക്കാർ മുഴുവൻ മറ്റവരെ അറ്റാക്ക് ചെയ്യും. ഇതാണ് കുടിപ്പക എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ ദിസ് ഇസ് എ സോർട്ട് ഓഫ് പ്രൈമറി സോഷ്യൽ റെസ്പോൺസിബിലിറ്റി ഓഫ് ദ കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി. ഇതിപ്പോൾ വളരെ ഈയിടെയായിട്ട് അതൊക്കെ കുറേ കുറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. പക്ഷേ ദിസ് ഇസ് ദി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ദിസ് ഇസ് ദി ആൻസർ ടു what is Kudipaga. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വിച്ച് ഓഫ് ദി ട്രൈബൽസ് ഇസ് മോസ്റ്റ് ബാക്ക്വേർഡ്? അപ്പോൾ the answer you can find on page 22. Paniyar, the most backward tribe among the Adivasis of Kerala is the Paniyar tribe. And where are they found? They are found in the Wayanad, Attapadi and Nilgiri mountain ranges. In the previous slide നമുക്ക് അതിൻ്റെ ഗൂഗിൾ മാപ്സിൽ you can see the area of these three regions, the Wayanad, Attapadi and Nilgiri regions. അടുത്ത question we have in this is in what way is the matrilinear system associated with agriculture? So this answer you can find on page 23. Page 23 second paragraphil ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. Women largely resorted to agriculture and related labor in those days, and the tribes which were into farming followed the matrilinear system. So women mostly worked in the agricultural fields, and also they went to work in maybe digging trenches and things like that, കുഴി കുത്തുക, തെങ്ങിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനത്തെ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുന്ന സ്ഥിതിക്ക്, സിൻസ് ദ വിമൻ വർ ദി ബ്രെഡ് വിന്നേഴ്സ്, ദി tribes followed what is known as the matrilinear system. Second sectionൽ what paragraph questionൽ Australoids and Dravidians. അപ്പോൾ അതിൽ Australoids and Dravidians എന്താണെന്നുള്ളത് ആദ്യം ഒന്ന് അറിയണം. So that's basically, you can find that in on page 21. Page 21 ഇങ്ങനെ പറയുന്നത്, the majority of the Indian tribes, including that of South India, belongs to the Australoid tribe. And the Adivasi tribes in Kerala have many striking similarities with the tribes in Australia and the Vedans of Ceylon. So what is the similarity? The similarity is basically round face, curly and silky hair, fat and swollen nose, and dark complexion. So these are the common features of the Adivasi tribes in Kerala and the tribes of Australoid as Australia and the Vedans of Ceylon. So there's a lot of similarity between the Adivasi tribes of Kerala and the tribes in Australia and the Vedans of Ceylon. And the next question in that would be, what are the rituals and worship? So the ritual, basically the tribes worshipped Kali or the hill gods or Muttappan. So also the natural forces, the rain, thunder, storm, they were all worshipped. Lightning was also worshipped. So generally the enraged version of Kali is worshipped. So it is also, they are also termed, these goddesses are termed as Kali or Raktakali or Mahakali or Chamundi or Rakta Chamundi. So if it is said that if you anger those gods, if you anger the Amman or the Kali, if you anger them, naturally it will lead to floods or drought or epidemics. Now what about the social life in the tribes of Kerala? So we know that the tribes are the Paniyar, Kurichiyar, Irular, Muduvanmar, then the Malavedar and the Kanikar. So the Kurichiyar are skilled in archery. The Muduvanmar are believed to have come from Tamil Nadu. The Malavedar whether make a living use from hunting. The Kanikar lives in caves. They live on tubes and tubers and forest resources. Also we find that they live in, most of the tribes live in Gothrams together. They join what you call a Ganam, and each Ganam will have a specific symbolic symbol. They also used to gather food from a common place, and these common places were common property. However, ornaments or utensils or weapons, they were all of private ownership. And same way, many of them followed the matrilineal system. Of course, some of them had the patrilineal system. The women were mainly into agriculture, and the marriage between the children of sisters and brothers were common. So cousin marriages were very common, and they were called Morappennu or Morachirkan. And this Kudipaga was also a very common element during those days.